Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of my fish bone bookmark.
বাবা এই বিস্কিটটা
So
খেয়ে নাও।
let's start it. So for this one we need 0.75 mm hook and 0.60 mm hook and glue. Now at first you can see that I left 24 hours to dry this properly. Now we'll make eyes. So for that one I have used 0.60 mm hook and white color thread. So at first we'll make magic ring. Now I have made 3 chain, then total 9 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch to close the round, and I have cut the thread so you can see the small round. Okay, so our white part is done. Now we'll make that inner black one. So for that one I have taken this black color thread. Now at first make magic ring, then after magic ring do one chain to fix it, then make 4 single crochet, and then after single crochet you make a slip stitch to close it, and then you cut the thread. Here you can see I am making the slip stitch, and I have closed the round. Now I'll cut the extra thread. Guys, if you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel, and please do like, share and comment me. So now here you can see I have fixed it with the glue, as this is the fabric glue. So here you can see I have fixed it. Now we'll make the tail portion. So if you have doubt any section, then please do comment me. So we'll start the tail. So for that one we have used 0.75 mm hook and yellow color thread, the same one. So at first I have made magic ring. Now one chain, and then I'm making 6 single crochet. Now after that I have made a slip stitch to close the round. Then on the second round we'll make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so you can see that first round has completed. Now we'll start second round. For that one make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So on the second round we will get total 12 single crochet. So here you can see I have made 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now here I will not make any slip stitch, it will go continue. Okay, so here you can see I'm not making any slip stitch. Okay, we'll continue. Now here I have used as a stitch marker that extra thread. Now we'll start the third round. So here make 1 single crochet in each stitch, like that. I'm making total 6 round, means up to 8 round you just make like this. 8 round means at first 6 single crochet, then second round 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then 3 to 8th, total 6 round you make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so now you can see that 6 round has completed. Now on the 9th round we'll make 4 single crochet, then 1 decrease. So a decrease means 2 stitch together. So here you can see at first I am making 1 single crochet on first stitch, second stitch also 1 single crochet, then third stitch also 1 single crochet, fourth 1 single crochet. Now fifth and sixth together will do like that. You just take it. Now take the thread through both loops. Again next 4 single crochet on 4 stitch and then 1 decrease. Fourth stitch. Now 1 2 decrease I am doing. Okay. Okay, so in this round we'll make 1 single crochet, then decrease. So here on the first stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, then next we'll make decrease. So like that you do the full round. Okay, now here we'll make 1 single crochet in each stitch. For 2 rounds we will make the same, means 1 single crochet in each stitch. So do the 2 round. So you can see our tail is completed. So this one I have made this little bit smaller, another one will make little bit bigger. So for that one you can add 1 more round on last, means for not 2 rounds, 3 rounds you make. Okay, now we'll close the stitch the same way. We'll close for both side. I am taking 2 stitches and then make single crochet. So here it's done. So I can cut the extra thread. So another one also you just make. Now I'll show you how I am attaching the tail. For that one I have used one needle with yellow color thread. Now I am sew this 2 tails with the fish bone. It's at the end of this fish bone. Okay, so here you can see how I am sew this tail, both tail. So guys, if you like my video, then please do subscribe my channel, and please do like and share my videos. So it's almost done. Now I'm cutting the extra thread, and if you want, then you can glue that extra thread. Okay, so here this is done. So thank you.